Hurricane Sandy. There's one branch. Listen to that wind. Here comes the rain. Oh my God.
The house is blown away.
What happened?
The house!
The wind just blew that open.
Are you fucking
You can feel
serious?
the breeze.
Yeah!
There's nothing open though.
Yeah, literally got the monsters. Down there, right, Mommy?
There's nothing broken, right?
Oh, you can feel the
That's where the monsters,
Holy
right?
shit. Tyler.
The situation, knowing the weather forecast, and I know these are all variables, but this storm has been a pretty predictable storm. Knowing that you have 215,000 customers out, 2 days out, 48 hours from now, it's Monday night, Wednesday night around this time, how large a percentage of those customers do you think will get relief and get power back?
Until we know exactly what the damage assessment is, Dan, it's really impossible for me to guess at that. You know, my heart of hearts, I'd like to say the significant percentage, but I want to be fair to folks and be able to give them an accurate answer tomorrow. One of the things that we already know is that we have a couple of transmission problems, and those we've discussed these before. Those are both good and bad. They're bad because when they happen, they take out large sums of customers, thousands. On the other hand, they're good because when we restore them, they bring those customers back. So, to the extent we can get at those outages, the transmission outages quickly, and they're not a long fix, then we ought to be able to bring significant numbers back. But
Well, thanks for doing that, David.
how we're doing.
I appreciate that. Please be safe. And right now, let's go
Somebody's
to
walking
WBAL
right
chief
now.
meteorologist Tom Tasselmeyer, who's with
Somebody's
us.
walking.
And Tom, what's the very latest?
Well, the latest is that the storm that made landfall near Atlantic City is making its way westbound toward northern Delaware and will eventually probably either scrape through northern counties of Maryland, Cecil, Hartford, Baltimore,
I see
or
police
right along the
lights.
Pennsylvania line, perhaps into southern Pennsylvania, somewhere in that Maryland-Pennsylvania line area. It's moving west, so it came on shore at Atlantic City, and it's moving almost due west. Tracking with it all the strong winds and rain that came on shore. The worst of the winds have been on the top side of the storm, where the winds have been pouring in off the ocean unobstructed. So coastal New Jersey, Long Island, up to New York City really hit hard with heavy storm surge, and we've had winds gusting to near 80 miles an hour at JFK Airport in New York City, and 90 mile an hour gust at Islip, New York. So they were really hit with those winds because they were coming in off the ocean, and this is a free-flowing wind coming that way. We've had northwest winds coming across the land, which helps with the diminishing a bit, but we've still had gusts of 65, 70 miles an hour, places like Arbutus and Dundalk and around the bay, areas out on the bay, the Thomas Point Light, and those locations have had winds gusting well over 60 miles an hour. 59 mile an hour gusts.
Right now we're experiencing the brunt of the storm. It's around 8 o'clock. As you can see, we got strobe lights going because it is Halloween and did have a Halloween party in here. This is our lights for right now. We have our generator going. We don't have anything hooked up to our generator, unfortunately. But hopefully we won't be like this for too long. Hurricane Sandy is kicking Jersey's ass right now. So I'm just stepping out of my house now. I've been up since 2 o'clock this morning. And this is what Sandy did to our house. It's about 40 degrees up here on the mountain. It's not as bad as down the shore.
Latest reports, the highest gusts I'm seeing are in the 50s and low 60s. I don't see any gusts to hurricane force at the present time. Not to say there's none out there, but so far I haven't seen any reports over, say, 62 miles per hour. So hopefully that trend is going to continue. But we will still see these winds through the night, anywhere from 30, 35 up to 50, 60 miles per hour still. There'll be some occasional showers as well. And then during the day tomorrow, still the threat of wind gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour. And the showers will continue. It might even be a few heavy downpours embedded in some of these. And then I think after we get through the daylight hours tomorrow, we will see some significant improvements after that. Okay, Catherine?
Holy shit. Thank God. No one's hurt. Right now, it's my wood-burning stove, and I'm boiling some soup. Yep. Awesome. Progressive soup, by the way, the Italian wedding style, if you guys wanted to know. And I got Tyler sleeping over there on the love couch, love seat. My dad passed out in the chair. I'll be sleeping on the couch all the way back there. But yeah, I would totally survive a zombie apocalypse. Alright? Look at this shit. I created an awesome fire. And it's warming up my soup. What more could you ask? Not bad so far here in 94. On 94. Nowhere. Some twigs down. Wow. Right now I'm traveling the roads of Ringwood to get gas. And apparently everybody else in the area is doing the same. Passed a couple gas stations, all empty. Power lines are down. Trees are down. I have one right here. On a wire. Shit's down. And it really sucks because I really need gas for my car and for the tank because I need to go to work tomorrow because somehow Target of Rockaway is still open. I have no idea. But it's alright. It's whatever. There's another tree on a wire. It's down. That's crazy. It's crazy. Everybody else in the world, everybody else in New Jersey is doing the same thing I'm doing right now. I wish I could have got up earlier. Building. Took that right down. A lot of damage. Someone's gutter hanging off the roof. Is as long as it is. Only one reason, and that's because the gas station up there is open. And this goes all the way back. I've never seen it this bad ever in my life. People are crazy. I'm sorry. I'm not waiting in line. It's fucking stupid. All because of this test station on 23 is open. That is the most ridiculous ever. It's not even worth waiting for. He's running out of gas. Bad. Just gonna keep on driving. Wires down. Right. All I can do right now is listen to music and worry about my gas tank, about money, about my...
Particularly Lower Manhattan and Long Island. We are very concerned about some situations in Connecticut as well, and we're still monitoring West Virginia where there are heavy snows in some inaccessible areas. For the most part, those 4 states are really bearing the brunt of this incredible storm.
President Obama speaking with Governor Christie just outside of Atlantic City. A complete hurricane recovery update is